Okay, here is the latest and greatest. It's October 11th. I'll walk you through the kitchen one more time, and then try and answer questions if there is any. Start over here. This is a cabinet with two doors. We'll have storage behind these two doors. These are loose doors right here. They're decorative only. The idea would be to have these three doors match as close as possible the width and height of these doors here. So we have a space here about 3 inches. The door will swing open. It might hit the baseboard. Might hit. Flush toe kick at the bottom, as opposed to a cabinet that has a notch in it or a toe kick space in it. We've just got a flat panel here, no door style. This cabinet here is a double pull-out trash with a drawer on top. This is a bank of 3 drawers. And we have your dishwasher. We have your sink base. We have a tray base cabinet. So the inside of this cabinet will just have a shelf, which can be removable. It moves up and down too. Wall cabinet here. Super lazy Susan in the corner. See the 2 trays. Wall cabinets around the corner. Crown molding will touch the ceiling. Microwave over the range. Bank of 3 drawers. This area here is going to be done in the simply white, I should say. This cabinetry around the refrigerator is again simply white. But these 2 cabinets here will go in the breeze. We have cabinets prepared for glass with a finished interior. This cabinet here will have a flush toe kick. And these shelves are removable. They come with it. This shelf right here though is fixed. Between these 2 doors here, there's a fixed shelf here. Cabinet over the fridge. Let's look at this cabinet real quick. Flush toe kick again. Cabinet's prepared for glass. Finished interior, and inside there'll be some adjustable shelves. Got some trim over here, going to need it for installing the crown, but this skinnier trim over here is used for light balance, which will go on the bottom of the cabinets here. That will hide any under cabinet lighting. And it will also hide, show you something else. So when I click on this, bring it up, the bottom of the cabinets will be brown. But that light balance will hide, you won't be able to see it You have to really kind of bend over and sneak underneath to see it. You have to be sitting down in the dining room to see it without the light valance, but with the light valance you won't, I don't think you'll see it. That's pretty common. If you want this covered with paneling, I could do that. Wouldn't cost too much. Less than $400 probably, but more than $200. Well, let me know if I can clarify anything.